Can I start? Hello. We are Coleder display, and this year we bring our new product, the world's first module-based curve LED display. We call it ACE block, and this is for the TV studios and the broadcast rooms, control rooms. So you can see, you can have really smooth curve. Have really smooth curve, no gaps, yeah. And especially, you can take all the parts from the front side, and you can do the repairing job from front of the LED screen. So you don't need to go back side of the LED wall. It's very convenient for people to use. Here is our parameters of the product. Website, yeah, www.coleder.com.